people watching it having to tilt their head. Welcome again to, I was going to call this Matt Does Stuff, but somebody told me that it's boring to call it that. So appropriately, this will be called Pickle Projects, because we are in the kitchen and guess what we're doing? We're making pickles. How amazing is that, that a guy like me can make pickles and then put it on the internet so everyone can see. So I feel like I'm on a cooking show because first of all, I am cooking, and secondly, I already have one prepared in the refrigerator, just like they do on the show. So if you see here, we've already had one in the fridge. These are the chips, and I got big pieces of garlic in there and a bunch of stuff floating around on the bottom. Tomorrow we're gonna eat these. So share how that goes. I made some spicy ones with some serrano peppers. Right now I'm sterilizing my equipment. I got the lids in here boiling, and I got the jars in the oven. 275 degrees for 20 minutes. That's what this British guy that I watched, he said that that's what you're supposed to do. So like anything I've done in the kitchen, I like to mix it up. So instead of using the dill weed, that's never not funny, dill weed that they provided in this seasoning packet, I bought some actual dill to put in it, because you gotta boil all the pickling salt and all the stuff in there, and then you gotta pour it over your pickles and let them sit, and then you gotta put them in a jar. So we'll get to that. Dill weed. I also, just because I like garlic so much, they put in like some dried minced garlic. What I like to do, I just take a big old piece of garlic, smash it, and just put it in there with it. That's just, and then later, after you pickle it, you get to eat the big old piece of garlic. She likes that.
You can't see me. Don't show me.
And we got our spheres here. We got our simmering liquids. You can see we got that's the dill right there. And then just pour it over the pickles. Cover them. Liquid. Pickle liquid. Sure it's all in here. It's supposed to sit till it cools off, and then we put them in the jars, and then we put them in the fridge. So I'm realizing more and more that the lighting here is terrible. But anyway, so you get to see what stage I'm at now. So we got pickles in the brine. So I'm gonna toss these pickles in these jars. After this cooled down enough, obviously it's cooled down enough so I can put my hands in it, 'cause I bowled it. So it gets pretty warm. Peppers from a friend's garden. So you get them nice and packed, and then you're gonna pour all the juice over them.
And now they're ready to be put in the refrigerator.
And so there you have it. I've fulfilled my destiny. I've made some pickles. So the next time you see me, I will be trying those pickles, and you will get to know exactly how they turned out.